Previously.
No. You're an elephant.
Nay.
Head back a little bit. Too far.
That was weird. We're gonna think you're sensitive as that. I'm sensitive because I've never had this done.
This is just to moisturise your face. And give it a bit of moisture. As well as the moisturiser I will be putting on this serum time. Just lean your head quite back a bit. There we go. Then I can drop this into your eye. I'm coming.
Oh, that is weird. That is weird.
Tal's probably looking at me going, what the heck are you doing?
We didn't even do an intro.
Do you?
So as we know, we just do a previously on and then just jump right into it.
Well, technically, this is just... I would do this before anyway. Like before any of this starts, so we can
That
just...
was the intro.
Okay, so first things first. What do you do?
I did. Foundation.
Mm-hmm. I know what to do. So.
Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Did a pretty good job at making sure that you don't want to do it again.
This is blending down the neck, guys.
It's more like I'm getting jabbed in the neck. What are you feeling my eye? There. I'm seeing some really trippy flashy lights when you do that. It looks like every 2010s music video set.
Try not to push your eye.
Ah, you didn't try very hard. Ah.
Sorry. Please stop.
Oh, I didn't do the nose, see. You didn't tell me I could highlight anywhere else. You keep it secrets from me.
Oh, this is what I do.
I'm gonna come back next time. I'm gonna be fully educated off of YouTube. I'm gonna come back and do an amazing job.
Mother.
Yellow and orange.
That one's not as pigmented.
Is it not?
No.
Find one like it, that is.
I will do.
Okay then. Blue and green.
Blue and green? Okay. Like my mother's picked this for you. You're privileged. Your mum wanted pink. I'm doing pink next time. You're still getting falsies on. Because I is giving you the look.
Yeah, I'm giving you a look. Is it weird that as you're doing that I'm seeing green? Are you using green?
Yes.
What? That is weird. I can see the colour through the eye then.
I'm gonna give you my one.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
With blue and green.
Yeah, I don't care.
I thought You look like a clown at the end of it. I thought my one was supposed to look good.
Oh, sorry.
Just throw stuff at me. It's fine. It's fine.
Me too.
Blind man. Throw stuff at me. I am.
Oof! Oof!
Oof.
Oof!
You got an
I'm
oof.
happy.
You got an oof.
You got an oof.
Oof.
Ooh, you wanna look at the camera, babe.
Don't forget, I now know how to do SOS.
Oh, why can't I do this on my face?
Makeup is not comfortable.
What are you doing?
I can feel it on my face.
Yeah.
Come on.
Right. That's how I make my swoopy swoop. Over there.
If I had matched the other side to that side, they both look good. Would I have gone a 4?
No.
5? I can feel the sassiness.
Right, look. Oh, just look at me. So just tell me if these are lashes.
I do the eye flickery thing.
Right.
Cute, yeah.
Yeah,
You putting the
cute.
mega long ones on?
I might.
Oh my god.
You let me have free reign.
Where are my eyes going?
Closer.
The regret of willing it.
Oh, you cutie
Beautiful?
fur.
Cutiful? Half my vision is just eyelashes. I'm holding on to every last part of masculinity I had.
Wait, you're about to pout for me now. Closer, closer.
I don't want powers.
Mm.
I don't want powers.
You don't need powers. Shut up. It's ticklish for me. Oh, what the hell am I doing there? Tasha! You've got such defined lips. Oh, I hate you. You're gonna rate Cupid's arrow. Like, really rubby rub.
They're getting done then.
Yeah. There you go. Let's give it 2 minutes. And we is done. I am proud. Which says which?
Oh
Okay.
god. What the hell? Ugh. It's good makeup, but I am not.
You
Yeah,
got it on your
yeah.
teeth.
Women actually have more pouty lips than men.
Right.
I'm eating the stuff.
Together it looks good. And I like the way I'm proud of it because of the blending. I'm no good on myself.
It's naturally just curled up now, so it's
Yeah.
styled itself. What the hell? You need to get closer.
Oh crap, yeah.
Camera angles now. You should notice it focus, so it should be right.
So, you want to come closer or what? You'll close your eyes. So. Look at the Cupid's bow. Fucking define Cupid's bow. Oh, look at him. He's gorgeous. Smile.
I like to have like that smoker's kind of voice.
To be fair, you keep it like that, I could get a brilliant photo. Not that side, but just hold that. I have to get a photo of you just doing that just then. Where's the phone? Here. Oof!
Oh god.
Oof! Beautiful!
The side angle.
I love it! Shut up! I love it! Oh, I'm so happy with it. And the lipstick does go with it. See? I'm happy.
I'm happy with one side of yours.
I'm happy with the whole of this.
The lipstick is quite fruity.
You've got loads in your teeth
I
again.
know.
Oh my god.
I'm not used to it.
I know.
Women have more pouty outward lips.
Oh, we need to show my mother.
Oh no, we really don't.
Yes, we do.
He does give me that though.
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh,
That's gonna be hilarious.
you guys won't be able to see that reaction, so
No. No.
subscribe for more manly content because we're gonna need a lot more over here now. Oh god. I look like a lesbian. Bonus footage.
Papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange, and I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. Hey, Mr. Sunshine, Mr. Rainstorm, meet me in the conference room, we need to brainstorm, need some middle ground.